Transferring your Capital One points to Turkish Airlines is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer your Capital One points to Turkish Airlines. So for that, you have to, go to capitalone.com and then you have to log in. After logging in, you have to select your eligible Capital One venture menu miles, credit card. You just have to go to that credit card and then you have to click on the redeem button. After clicking on redeem button, you will see an option for convert rewards. You just have to select the convert rewards option. After that, you will see different airlines. So you just have to choose your Turkish Airlines. After choosing the Turkish Airlines, you have to click transfer miles. If your first transfer that with your partner, enter your airlines or hotel loyalty member number. So you just have to enter your, hotel loyalty or your, member number in order to get if you are doing it for the first time. So enter the number of miles to transfer and then you have to click on complete transfer. It will you transfer your Capital One miles to Turkish Airlines. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.